afternoon. It is Tuesday, May 6th, 2025, 2:31 p.m. I was up at 11:30 and haven't been doing anything much since then. And I probably won't do anything really today because it is very gray and rainy and cool. But again, I am getting hungry and eventually I should go out. I did, however, finish editing my vlogs for the first few days of Golden Week, but that's about it. I did open this dupe and this dupe. And then I got the owl. Yay. 3:02 p.m. Watching a Ashley Nicole vlog and decided to eat a cup noodle for lunch. 3:58 p.m. Just a little quick outing to go get some snacks. Rain is still going strong. I just really want a strawberry sandwich. Oh, I love these cakes, so cute. Unfortunately, this location does not have the strawberry sandwich. 7-Eleven number 2. Yay, they have it. Ooh. 4:19 p.m. and just like that, I am back. Ooh, the rain is very much going strong. I got this cafe latte, or this latte cold brew, which I mean I'm sure is going to be very much bitter, so we'll see. Wow, actually no, I love it. Wow. That's very good. And of course my strawberry sandwich. I actually wanted this yesterday, but the close 7-Eleven didn't have one, and I got 2 of these butter Black Thunders and 2 of these cookies and cream ones. Yay. 6:04 p.m. out again. Okinawa festival still going strong today. 7:02 p.m. walking around La Zona. Oh my goodness, look at this gacha. It's Hawaii plushies. Look, I won Glinda. Not Glinda, oh my goodness. Elphaba. 7:38 p.m. in Atore in Kawasaki. Look at all of these hats, which I've seen Instagrammers put on their Labubus. 7:51 p.m. Look at them taking down the store. I've been debating whether or not to get a Teletubby, but I think it's about time I get one today. Look at all of this cute Disney princess merch. Looks very retro. But also, like, why do none of these skinny dip phone cases come in a iPhone 14? It is 8:32 p.m. Got home like 10 minutes ago. Got 2 salmon onigiris. Wow. I also got from Loft these stickers. Yay. And another blind box. And from La Zona, look, I got my Elphaba. I'm not sure why she's a bunny, and I'm sad because I tried for Glinda, but I couldn't get it. Yay! I also got from Plaza more donut gummies, and this Teletubbies blind box. Okay, I really like oh, they're so cute. I preferably want a Dipsy, but I think, or the secret, that would be wild. But we'll see what we can get. Oh, how do I open this? Okay, well. Okay, no spoilers. Okay, where is it? Oh, man. Okay, I got a, yay. I got Lala. Okay. Not bad. I mean, did I want a Dipsy? Of course, but there's that. Oh, it's very heavy too. My goodness. And let's do the monster. I just don't want to dupe. Come on. Oh, you don't even tell me. Another bread. Oh boy. Okay, even though I didn't do pretty much anything today, I will end this video and continue to do, and hopefully do something more exciting tomorrow. Maybe, I think it's still going to be raining, but I do eventually want to go to Ikebukuro, so maybe that's the plan for tomorrow, since I want to go to Sunshine City, and that's indoors. Good morning. It is Wednesday, May 7th, 2025, 10:06 a.m. and it is a lot sunnier today. Yay, Golden Week Day 5. Let's do an unboxing, or unboxing. Yeah, this one. Yay. Okay, come on, dragon fruit or durian. I want to go to Ikebukuro, I think, today. Dragon fruit. Watermelon. Oh, man. Okay, then I open a hipper because that's all I have. Let's do it. Yeah, this one. Hipper, no dupes. Anything will do. I don't have that many open of these, but I have a lot of them that I need to unbox. No dupes. Okay. Mouse? Do I have this? I don't know. 10:32 a.m. Sunny skies. Yay. Let's go to Sunshine City. And actually, it's not really cold right now, but it will get cold later. That's why I have this jacket. Oh, the skies are so nice again today. Yay. 11:18 a.m. in Ikebukuro. Before I go to Sunshine City, let's go to Parko. We've made it. It's very chill in here. Maybe it's because it just opened 20 minutes ago, but oh, how cute. They have lots of these different crybaby merch, which other people seem to like. I'm honestly not a big fan. Oh my gosh, they have some of the Big Into Energy merch. Yay, I bought 3. And right now they have a Chikawa cafe going up here. I've been to a Jurassic World cafe over here before. Oh my gosh, so cute. But I don't have a reservation, so can't get in, unfortunately. Wow, even Parko has a Esther Bunny thing going on, but this one I think you have to pay like 500 yen to get in. Wow! Frank, they always have the nicest displays. They even have a cute bed display. Wow. Guess I never really walked around here before. Only looked at the outside of the store. 11:49 a.m. Let's head to Sunshine City. What is Me Tokyo? Looks like a place I should stay away from. Lots of gacha machines in there. Not gacha machines, UFO catchers. I realized that Golden Week might have ended yesterday for a lot of people, but yeah, mine continues till the end of the week. Maybe that's why it's not as busy as I was expecting, but then again, it is still kind of early. Alright, let's go to the Pokemon Center. Oh my gosh, I think these are for Mother's Day. They're like the Carnation Pikachus. Also, like, to be able to walk in here so freely is crazy. Look at this sweatshirt. I didn't see this at the other Pokemon centers. And this pillowcase, I think. Also, these fans are quite cute. Is this a bag charm? Adorable. 12:32 p.m. Of course, I have to check out the Crayon Shin-chan store. Oh my gosh, these bags are so cute. They even have hair clips. Look at Nene. Aww. There's basically almost no line at the Pikachu Sweets Cafe, so I'm going for it. Wow, it's so nice to not have to wait in a long line. Got my 864 yen grape frappe. There you go. It looks better with the lid off. Hopefully it's good. All right, let's try this. It's almost like a slushy, a grape slushy, or an icy. I don't know. Yum, that was delicious. Wow, look at this fancy bakery that's connected to this restaurant over here. Wow, that's a nice Starbucks. It's new. Wasn't expecting to find a Pop Mart Robo Shop in Ikebukuro, but they have one. But of course, there's no Labubus, only the blind box, like the figures. Oh my gosh, is she restocking it? She restocked, but I thought she was gonna put the Big Into Energy boxes in, but she didn't. Too bad. This store has all of the cases for Labubus. Actually, I'm pretty sure this store is a part of WeGo. Now I'm at the 390 yen store. I want a container like this, but I just want a better quality one. They always have the cutest character merch here. 1:57 p.m. Let's check out the sports store and look at their jerseys. Not sure if this is all of it, but they do have Otani. Now I'm in Toys R Us, checking out the cute summer baby Pokemon merch. Oh, I love this. It has pineapples on it. Oh my gosh, look at this dress. Look at all of these shirts. I love. They even have baseball merch for babies. So cute. Oh my gosh, look at this Casper shirt. So cute. And this kakigori onesie. And this bento onesie. And the Miffy stuff. I love. Nico and I, the store, always has the cutest merch. What a cute and true shirt. S'mores make camping even more enjoyable. Oh my gosh, look at all of these socks at Tutuana. Wow. Look at that. You know, my mother will watch this vlog. So, look, Anne, it's the store you bought your sweaters from. 2:28 p.m. Let's go look at the gachas. 3:43 p.m. I scored 3 exciting macarons. Yay! The key really is to come back to Pop Mart at different times of the day because they restock at different times of the day. Currently I'm on the restaurant floor because I want to do an unboxing of this one and this one. I opened a toffee, so cute. Ah. I opened the happiness one and it even comes with a card. Wow. 4:40 p.m. Going back to Sunshine City. It is very gray now. 5:07 p.m. in Seattle's Best Coffee. I wanted to try this Fuji Apple Caramel Java Kula. All right, let's try it. Pretty good, not too sweet. 5:32 p.m. I'm gonna attempt to walk to Shinjuku Station. We'll see how this goes. It's quite far. 5:39 p.m. From here, I'm like an hour and 2 minutes away, supposedly. That's so crazy. The smallest station ever. Well, it's not even really a station. It's not even really train tracks. I think it's like a tram over here. I am passing by the shrine. Wow. Look, it's so cute. Crossing the Takado Bridge right now. Oh, that is the Kendagawa River. Whoops, it wasn't Takado, it's Takato Bridge. Oh my gosh, a big boy dining. Like as in Bob's Big Boy, I believe. 6:26 p.m. We've made it to Shinjuku. Let's see if we can find the Pop Mart vending machine. 6:29 p.m. Yay, that was so easy and not that bad of a walk. And luckily it didn't rain. It started to drizzle a little bit. 6:37 p.m. Arrived at the Pop Mart vending machine, but I doubt they have anything. Yep, nothing. This one even has 2 machines. 7:29 p.m. back in Kawasaki. 8:03 p.m. just got back. Got some Yakult, my favorite coffee drink, and my summer rolls and favorite salad for dinner. Ooh. Today I also got 3 Labubus, as you saw. Unfortunately, the machines were all fails. I thought I would get lucky, but yeah. 2, and then I opened one. I also bought this one. Oh boy, hope it's not a dupe. I'll open that and then, yeah, add it to the end of this video. My 3, oh, there's the other Labubu. Yeah, and these ones that you saw already. And this one. I'm pretty sure I walked a lot today, like plus 20,000. Oh my goodness, plus 20,000 steps, which was a lot, but you know, good for exercising. Yay! No dupes! Woo! And according to my phone, I walked nearly 25,000 steps, like 24,900. Basically almost 25. Okay, I will end this video here. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow, I suppose.